What's going on, y'all? So look, this video is basically, man, I've just been working on my I got a 73 Mustang Coupe Grande. I've been working on it for a minute. Had it for a few years. I really just started working on it maybe about I don't know, sometime last year. But I've been taking videos and kind of like showing y'all my progress starting from beginning to the end or whatever. So this is kind of like the first part of it. So yeah, so without further ado, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get to the video. Like I said, I've been working on it for a while, and I'm kind of excited because I'm getting towards the end. It'll be done soon, but I'm gonna just show y'all some of the video that I've taken up to that point. So let's get it.
He definitely wanted to get this bad for him.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Been asking could I get it. Finally told me I could get it. So. I'm gonna have to grab the when it come out. It's raining a little bit, so I'm gonna make this quick. This is my 1973 Ford Mustang Grande. See the motor out right now? It's gutted. No motor, no trans. There's a dent right here. You know, taking the grill off. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like now, because it's gonna look totally different in the weeks coming. You know, see the inside. Well, you know what? I'll let y'all see the inside. Just slapped in the motherfucker though. I took the seats out, carpet out, everything out this bitch. Dash out, everything. See my floor over there? Yeah. Had the floor switch too. Intake on the floor, carb on the floor, new intake in the box. So, this is it. This is it. It's ugly right now though. It ain't gonna be ugly for long if you know me. So, hopefully when I tap back in, I'll have my motor in and, you know, start the show. Yes, sir. We out. Yeah. That's scary though.
Yeah.